Alright, welcome back to the channel. 2024 Hershey RV Show. I'm at Winnebago and I am here to show you the most anticipated, the hottest motorhome this year, the 2025 Winnebago View. Today is the industry day, the press day, so I'm gonna quickly go inside and show you the layout and how beautiful it is inside. So let's do that. Here are the 2025 Winnebago View, sitting on a Mercedes chassis. Gorgeous, beautiful exterior. Look at that. And I'm just gonna take you inside really quick and show you everything that I have to show and express my experience when I first walked in here. It's just screaming quality at me. Look how pretty this motorhome is. It's definitely outside the standard motorhome feel and looks. It's got a slide. All this wall is a slide. This version, as you can tell, it's a sofa. Beautiful leatherette, super comfortable with these side tables. If you want to sit just the two of you and put your cups, that's totally fine. And these are lazy boys. Basically, they are theater style seating with leg rests extending. And this is a Murphy bed, as you can see. A beautiful velvet product here. It's not just a simple, I don't know, cardboard looking texture to it. Those are the legs of your bed. In a few seconds I will show you how this becomes a bed and it will give you an understanding. And you have here an L-shaped kitchen where on the slide side you have the induction plus a single gas burner, a convection microwave, 3 huge drawers, and I really love all these handles, the silver and the gold and the shapes. It's so European and so upscale. It's just beautiful. Look at the size of this compartment here, right above the beautiful big round sink. And this is just beautiful. And the backsplash, the awning style acrylic window, power tower right here, and the water pump is right here so that it's very easy to access. An extra leaf for your kitchen, but it's all here, so it's like so much space to do anything you want to do, the prepping and cooking and washing. It's gorgeous. Beautiful 12-volt refrigerator with a freezer. There's another cabinet right here on the side, and a standalone dining table with 2 standalone, really comfortable looking chairs. And behind the chairs there's this ledge where you can put your belongings and more space to store even more things. You have 12-volt AC outlets. You have your TV and the speaker. More storage. And here you have your DVD player, your slide in and out control panel, and more electricals and satellite connections and etc. And here you have your control center. Everything you can see here and control. Even a pet minder that is extra. Instead of purchasing a waggle, it's already integrated into the system where you can connect and control the conditions of the interior of your rig when you have a pet left behind, so you don't overheat, it's not in danger, and etc. The bathroom is in the back, and when you walk inside you see that very spacious bathroom is waiting for you, with a beautiful porcelain toilet and a dry bath with a shower. Beautiful, even a little place to sit down. And this whole wall is a hanging closet. Look at the size of this. Beautiful, and so much more. It's even going all the way inside, right where the wall matching the shower. So much space, crazy amount of space. And then over here you have these drawers and these adjustable shelves. And onto the left of the mirror and the sink you have more adjustable shelves, a water pump, little sink. Beautiful, just gorgeous. And a privacy door, of course. So, and not to mention that on top of the cockpit you have a beautiful bunk bed, full size, with snap-on window covers, a privacy curtain, reading lights, electrical outlets. Beautiful, just beautiful. A ladder to get up there. And of course it's a Mercedes chassis, so all the bells and whistles that Mercedes offers. And here you have more nooks and crannies to store more items. And very comfortable, very spacious. And now let's go and see the same one, but now you'll see it in a different color scheme. This one has the orange or terracotta color scheme, as you can tell. Instead of beige up front, it's more like a earthy, brownish, orange terracotta pattern. It's gorgeous. Also the seats are the same color. Beautiful. These all swivel around. Real wood grain looks. Just beautiful. And as you can see, once the chairs and the table is tucked away, this is how much space you have here. You literally can work out here. You can do yoga, you can do anything you want. And on this one, as you can see, you have all this copper accents, which makes it really pretty, very rich. Same control center. And on this one, the backsplash is also this copper feel and look. Just very homey, very warm, and beautiful. Same bathroom. It's just the accents, they're all copper. Gorgeous. And let's now see how this becomes a bed. There we go. Look how different it feels here, right? You still have all the space, even though the bed is down, and it just feels so comfortable. And I love about the fact that the Murphy bed, the cut, the crease is actually where the pillow is, so you will not feel it in your shoulders, in your upper back, or in your lower back. It's just very comfortable, very easy to access and control. It's just a press of a button and this whole thing goes up and the sofa appears. And what I also heard, because there's so much space between the wall and the bed itself, you can actually tuck all your pillows and your blankets and whatever that might be while you're folding up the Murphy bed, so it just goes up with the bed away from the eyesight and it doesn't take any extra space. Here, a difference here on this layout is that instead of having above the cab bed, they opted for extra storage. As you can see, huge storage up here above the cab, and this qualifies this motorhome as a B+ at this point. So this is a B+ View by Winnebago. Other than that, everything remains the same. It's just a different color scheme, a little bit more white and gold and gray, light gray. The sofa is also beige. And obviously that adds more space. It makes it more spacious. As you can see, the bathroom is the same. The closet, the sink, everything is the same, except the front doesn't have a bed. Instead, it has that storage space. But this is how it becomes a bed. So much space. This is beautiful. 2025 Winnebago View. And let me show you some features outside. And what really cool is, look at this storage. A whole pass-through, huge storage where people can actually sleep here. A whole adult can easily sleep here. That's how big it is. And it's got lighting, electricals, it's heated, and it's got 3 access points. This door, driver's side door, and the back. Unfortunately at the show they're so stacked behind each other, so I can't really open it. And a huge awning on top that covers pretty much the whole side. Just beautiful. Very well made. And this is the View, a 24D floor plan. This one does not have that big cutout for storage. And this one has U-shaped dinette with leg rests if you wanted to. A sofa and a Murphy bed and a rear bathroom, a dry bath, and a huge galley, a huge kitchen where you are free to cook and entertain and prep and whatever you need with the TV in the center. It's just beautiful. But this one is a 2024, so I just wanted to show you this comparison to the new Views for 2025. So this one feels more of a regular motorhome that we always see from many different manufacturers, but the 2025 Views are just something different. So as I told you, all the 2025 Views has this big pass-through storage space in the back, which makes it very unique. And here you have more storage space and your battery disconnect. Beautiful, just beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the 2025 View. I tried to show you everything it has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And until the next time, see you on the road.